Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T15 screwdriver, and a small container for screws. Start by unplugging your Dyson V8 and removing the dustbin. This is essential for safety and gives you easy access to the motor compartment. Next, remove the screws that hold the cover of the motor in place. There are typically 4 screws located at the back of the vacuum. Use the Phillips screwdriver for this step, and be sure to keep the screws in your container for easy retrieval later. If you encounter any difficulty, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help. After removing the screws, gently pry off the cover using your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. This exposes the motor, which may have some dust buildup. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a dry cloth to wipe away any debris, ensuring your new motor operates efficiently. Now, it's time to disconnect the old motor. There will be 2 connectors to detach, one for power and the other for the sensor. Carefully pull these connectors off. If you're unsure about this process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Once the motor is disconnected, remove it by unscrewing the mounting screws with the Torx T15 screwdriver. There are usually 3 screws holding the motor in place. Keep these screws stored safely as well. After unscrewing, gently lift the motor out of the housing. Now, take your new motor and align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws you just removed. Ensure that the motor is firmly seated, as a loose motor can lead to performance issues. Reconnect the power and sensor connectors to the new motor. Ensure they click into place, indicating a secure connection. It's crucial to double-check this step, as a faulty connection can prevent the vacuum from operating correctly. Before sealing everything back up, give the internal area one last cleaning to remove any remaining dust. If you don't have the tools or time, consider that we offer no calls, no travel services, making your life easier. With the motor installed and connections secured, it's time to replace the motor cover. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Finally, reattach the dust bin to the vacuum. Plug it in and test it to ensure the motor operates smoothly. If everything works correctly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the motor in your Dyson V8. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.